Observations is a greater source of wisdom. To understand the true quality of people, you must look into their minds and examine their pursuits and evasions. 12 major events that shaped Kannywood in 2018. Welcome to the Kannywood Reporter. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website at www.kannywoodreporter.com. The year 2018 has been an interesting one for Kannywood and its stars, from the landmark achievements to some level of government interventions. The stakeholders have a lot to be thankful for. As we draw down the curtains on a memorable cinematic year, Kannywood Reporter brings you a quick rundown of key events that shaped Kannywood in 2018. Number 1. Kano State lifts ban on actress Rahama Sadau. The year began on a great note when Governor Abdullahi Umar Ganduje of Kano State said he has lifted the ban imposed on Rahama Sadau in January. Rahama Sadau, one of the Kannywood leading actresses, was expelled by the regulators of the Kannywood industry. The Motion Pictures Practitioners Association of Nigeria movement in 2016. Her appearance in the music album by a musician called The Classic was said to have been immoral and against the ethic of Hausa film industry. The 25-year-old actress was also honored by the Women Illuminate Film Festival in New York in March. Rahama Sadau, who made her Nollywood debut in new TV drama series titled Son of Caliphate, would later celebrate having 1 million followers on her Instagram page 11 months after. Number 2. Adam A. Zango and Alinhu reconciled after months of acrimony. In February, Kannywood most celebrity actors Adam A. Zango and Alinhu reconciled after a spat that began in 2017. The altercation between the two was like a melting ice moment that almost fractured the entire industry. Zango and Alinhu initially fell apart over a scandal involving Rahama Sadau in February 2015. Rahama Sadau had accused Zango of demanding sexual favors to feature her in his movie, Dunia Makaranta. The reconciliation took place in Kano before the chairman of Kano State Censorship Board, Ismaila Na'abba Afakallah. Number 3. Adam A. Zango signed to own a record label. Adam A. Zango signed his oldest son, Haidar Zango, to his musical record label, White House Family Record, in April. The 11-year-old signer had just concluded recording his first album at the time. The debut album, which consists of 3 songs, Godiya, Rayuwa, and Taken Over, sung in the English language, was eventually released. Number 4. Actress Hawa Maina Days. One event that shook Kannywood in the year 2018 were the days of star actress Hawa Maina. Hawa Maina died in May at a Kano hospital after suffering an undisclosed illness and was buried in Kaduna State. Many Kannywood celebrities condoled with the family of the deceased, posting her pictures on social media and praying for the repose for her soul gently. The deceased was famous for her role in such epic Hausa movie as Queen Amina and Bayajidda. The View Borno State born stars also delved into movie production and directing and won many awards over the years. Number 5. Alinhu wins AMVC Award 2018 Best House Film Award. Kannywood legend Alinhu added another award to his collections. This time around, it was African Magic Viewers' Choice Award 2018 AMVC Award for the Best Indigenous Movie of the Year. The event was held in Lagos State in September. Alinhu's movie titled Mansoor won the Best Indigenous Movie, beating other nominated films including Warbari by Hamisu Lamido Iyantama and Reshin Sani by Chiana Johnson. Umar Sanda by Kamal S. Alkali and Dadin Kowa. Sabon Salo. Ali Nuhu dedicated the award to the entire cast. Number 6. Popular Kannywood actor and singer Ado Gwanja's wedding. Kannywood star actor and singer Ado Gwanja took his heartthrob Maimuna Hassan to the altar in Kano in September. It was a glamorous event as producers, actors and well-wishers turned up for the event. Gwanja, who started his career as an office boy in Adam Ezango's productions company, has grown to become a household name in the Kannywood industry. Number 7. Nazir Ahmad became Emir Sunusi official singer. The Kano Emirate in November announced the appointment of Kannywood singer Nazir Ahmad as the Emirate official singer. Nadir was turbaned in December 27 at the Emir's palace in Kano. Nadir waxed many songs in praise of the Emir and even insinuated on him becoming the Emir in one of them, when Emir was turbaned as Damajan Kano, while he was the CBN governor. Earlier in the year, a singer Korede Bello was rumored to have been turbaned as the chief singer for the Kano monarch when he was sighted at a Salah Dava. The Emirate response issued a statement debunking the rumor, adding that Bello was just a friend to the son of the Emir who was there to celebrate the Eid al-Fitr. Number 8. Support for Buhari Atiku divides Kannywood. For the first time, Kannywood is largely divided over which candidate they should rally round and support. In 2015, it was clear that the majority of the players were with the APC candidate Muhammad Buhari. The support was mainly through a series of movies and songs about APC in northern part of Nigeria, since it generated massive votes at the polls in 2015. But in 2018, the game changed with the actors displaying support for their preferred candidates. Checks by Kannywood Reporter revealed that Mr. Buhari still enjoys large support from Kannywood. However, top stars in the industry have reportedly declared their support for People Democratic Party (PDP), including Sani Danja, Fatih Muhammad, Yakubu Muhammad, Abba Al-Mustafa, Zaharuddin Sani, Mufida Muhammad, and others. In related development, Kannywood actress Mariam Booth also announced her resignation as the vice chairman of Atiku Care Foundation in December. Number 9. Buhari pledged support for Kannywood in December. President Muhammad Buhari announced that he had directed the Bank of Industry and the Nigerian Export-Import Bank to engage Kannywood, providing affordable working capital. This funding, he said, will unlock some of the trapped potential in the entertainment industry, leading to growth, the statement highlighted. Mr. Buhari announced this when he met with the members of the Motion Pictures Practitioners Association of Nigeria, MOPAN, at the Presidential Villa in Abuja, Nigeria. Number 10. Kano State Moroccan government signed Memorandum of Understanding. The Kano State signed Memorandum of Understanding with the government of Morocco for the development of Kannywood. The aim was to further strengthen the industry as a venture that has potential for creating jobs and alleviating poverty, facilitating public enlightenment and enhancement of socialization. Governor Abdullahi Umar Ganduje disclosed this in July at the launch of Hausa film titled Mutunda Addininsa. Number 11. Kannywood's VIP Cinema. Kannywood launched its VIP Cinema in August. The home VIP Cinema entails subscription of films by the viewers to enable them watch a particular film to their choice at their convenience. Saronia was a film that was the first shown on the platform after the launch. The movie, sponsored by The Right Time, featured a list of Kannywood actors such as Ali Nuhu, Adam Ezango, Rabiu Rikadawa, Asabe Madaki, and Alassane Koli, among others. The director of the film, Hassan Gies, said the response has been encouraging. Number 12. Umar Waragi's days. Muhammad Umar Waragis, one of the Kannywood famous comedians, died in March. The artist died after a protracted illness in Jos Plateau State, Umar Abubakar reported.